Now I can also do group change. So let's say these three belongs to bedroom 2 and the measurement is 1400 and they want a different group with a different fabric colors. So every time you change the measurement, it'll automatically reset your material and color to make sure you select the correct ones. And you can also rearrange this in any order that you walk into the house. So like if you toggle this one, sort, then you could simply drag this and drop it in the order that you want. So it'll be in that particular order. And you can, let's say the customer decided to add another item and you don't want to retype all this again. It's all the same. You can simply highlight that and copy it. It'll give you exactly same as it is. And then you can change that to bedroom 3.